I'm going to go for a run up the Cummins Creek Trail. This is the Saisla National Forest.
And then later, we're all going to go for a hike. But I mean, this is what I love about Oregon. It is just phenomenal. Look at this. I just love all the moss and all the green. It's just stunning. I love it. We pulled into a campground just a few miles from here. $26 a night. No hookups, no water, no nothing. And even with our National Parks Pass, it would have made it $13. And the sites were like right up on top of each other. No privacy at all. Like you're basically in your neighbor's backyard. That's not our deal, you know? I mean, we'll do it if we have to, but we just hunted around a little bit further, and this is what we found.
See you hour and a half.
Okay.
Bye.
See ya. Oh my gosh, this view is like right off the start of the hiking trail. It's bananas.
No wonder it's so crowded with people.
Look at the spot we found tonight.
It's a National Forest property up Yachats River Road.
Wow. And right on the river. Good morning. So as we're waiting for the sun to kind of come out this morning, we got a van project we want to complete. Now, previously, maybe a week ago or so, this glass broke.
There's a cover just like this.
Yeah, it was tempered glass here. We don't know why it broke, but it just broke. So it shattered, cleaned it up, and we're trying to think of something that's more practical to put on top other than glass.
Just got a regular nylon cutting board and I cut it roughly to the size I want.
So today we're gonna put that top on.
See how it goes.
Check out the water this morning. I have a coat on. Dave's laughing. He says it's not cold out, but it's definitely not warm out.
It's like 68 degrees.
It is not 68 degrees, y'all. Don't let him fool you.
It's so warm.
It's like 50. Good girl. Gonna bug out of here.
This national forest spot here on the Yachats River is pretty awesome. Very private, big, old growth trees.
So cool. Such a good spot. We're gonna take care of some business in town and I don't know where we're going to end up, but it's going to be somewhere good. I just know it.
Well, we're going to head to town, and so I think she's got to upload a video today.
I do.
And then either we'll head north, back towards Newport, or we'll come back here and spend the night again.
Yeah, we just don't know. Let's flip a coin. One of these days we'll
have a coin. You flip the credit card.
Oh, yeah. All right.
All right.
See you on the flip side. Bye.